Hi, welcome back to Diesel Dave's YouTube channel. This is my latest update. Hope you enjoyed my last one and shared to others. Like I say, this year we decided to do a new layout, so we're starting from basics. In the previous one I told you what was going on with the tour. This is some bit of progress we're actually doing now. So what I've done, I've started up this end. I've had to take all it up, the cottages and the scrapyard, but like I say, when it comes down it looked quite better because we did it right this time, as we say. So what I've done is I put the new track out now, give that a bit of a clean up. Done some lighting in, as you see around the layout at the moment. I haven't got too much up this end, but I've got a bit of lighting going on. Good thing about having the maintenance shed over the back now, it gives me all this area to work on and come up with some nice scenery. So I'm looking forward to doing that. Over here we've got some new cars I bought in. The Mark 1 Fiesta and the Triumph. They're new to the range. Like I say, I do quite like that era. It goes best for my Sierra, my Escort and my Capri just up here. So when they've been landing well, especially in the scrapyard, some of those are going, they look quite impressive. Over the back here, that was like the warehouse we've done. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to bring that forward now because I've done away with the track over the far end. So I can open that up and put loads more scenery in there and have a little bit of a change. As you come along here, like I say, we've got two tracks coming along here. They're going to link up as we go along. The top end I've taken off now. That's going to be something totally different. I'm not too sure what I'm going to do there, but something to look out for future reference. Down the front here, I'm still keeping this. Quite enjoy this still. Like I say, Herbie's out and about. It does look quite impressive. It just makes like a 3D effect, and I do like that. So this is the latest update. Hope you like it. There's more to come. So stay tuned, and this is Diesel Dave saying goodbye.